Now that we have completed the run and saved the scenario to the planning summary, we may also view and save the results. We're going to click the arrow to expand the Analyze Results pane. This panel displays detailed results of the most recent completed simulation. Scroll down to view the water inputs and results section. For report graphs, click the checkboxes to select the graph types that you need and then click the graph button. In this case, we're going to look at the canopy cover and the sloped soil loss for conservation plan. Once we select our graphs, then we click the graph button and our graphs will appear in the window. You can look through those, determine if any of those are needed to explain the different managements, the different soil loss numbers to the producer. Once you're through viewing those, you can close those. You also have the option, if you go up to File, you can actually save these graphs. We're going to just close that one right now. And we could also scroll down and look at the wind erosion. There's also graphs for that too. You can just pick one of those and look at the wind erosion graph. Again, it can be saved or used for explaining things to the client. We're going to close that one also. Another thing is, once we save this simulation, if you look at the planning summary, it will show the results of all saved simulations in the summary. You can also create reports to save for documentation in the case file. We'll go up to File, Create Report, and have the choice of selecting a report of any of those saved runs that we have. In this case, we only have one. We're going to click that and click OK. It looks for where you want to save this information. In this case, we're going to save it into the customer's folder, and notice it gives you some information so that you can look it up later. We'll click Save, and then Adobe Acrobat should open with the report. You can maybe make it a little larger so you can see some more of the details about the individual parts of the report. Once you're through the report, you can print it or do anything you need to do in Adobe Acrobat. In this case, we're just going to close it. It's already been saved in the customer's folder.